The year is 2024. You could clock in, pretend to work for 8 hours, collect a paycheck, and retire with a pension. Yeah, that's over. Because corporate America just pulled the plug on bullshit jobs. Overpaid employees can't hide anymore. And for the next 4 years, the government won't be handing out participation trophies in the form of cushy employment programs. Enter Doge. No, not the meme coin. The Department of Government Efficiency. Their job? Making sure your job doesn't exist. But here's the thing. Work isn't disappearing, it's evolving. And the freelancers? They're winning. Today, we're breaking down the biggest shift in work since the Industrial Revolution. What's driving it, where it's headed, and most importantly, how you can come out on top.
My name's Jesse. I'm a freelance graphic designer and content creator. I've been doing graphic design for about 10 years now and making content for 4 of them.
Artificial intelligence is set to reshape our workplaces.
What does this mean for my job? Am I going to have a job? Will my children have jobs?
Companies
We
are
begin tonight with federal workers in the DMV bracing themselves for what may be the biggest effort yet to eliminate government jobs.
The Trump administration telling agencies to get ready for widespread cuts. Fox 5's Tom Fitzgerald live in.
First, let's look at some numbers. Right now, there are 76.4 million freelancers in the US. That's 36% of the workforce. And by 2027, that number is expected to surpass 86 million, making up more than half of all workers. You know who doesn't like this? Dying corporations. You know who does? Corporations that like saving money, which is all of them. Because why keep a full-time employee with health insurance, a 401k, and a tendency to take mental health days when you can hire a highly skilled freelancer for a fraction of the cost? It's not just happening in tech. It's in marketing, consulting, design, and even legal services. But now it's time to find out what's next with the future of work. For years, freelancing was seen as the broke cousin of a real job. But the average freelancer now makes more per hour than full-time employees in the same roles. According to Demand Sage, freelancers earn an average of $48 per hour, and that's across all industries. The top 10%, 6 figures. Why? Because work is shifting from paying for time to paying for results. If you can get the job done in 2 hours with AI, why should a company pay a full-timer to do it in 40? Freelancing isn't just growing, it's evolving. Welcome to the age of the Super-Freelancer, a highly skilled, AI-powered global professional who earns more, works less, and answers to no one except their Wi-Fi connection. This isn't Uber driving and TaskRabbit gigs. This is consultants charging $500 an hour, designers making $10K for a single branding package, and engineers pulling in 6 figures on Upwork. But why is this happening? 3 reasons: tech, corporate America, and government policy. Let's break it down. AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's making freelancers unstoppable. The World Economic Forum predicts that AI will redefine job roles faster than ever. The difference? Freelancers are adapting faster than companies. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Gemini, freelancers can automate half their workload, meaning they can earn more while working less. And unlike traditional employees, they don't have to sit through 17 meetings and sit in the office because their workday isn't over yet. For a long time, corporations were scared to fire or freeze hiring.
You're fired!
Why? The public investors assumed cost-cutting equaled broke, but Elon changed that with his Twitter acquisition, by not giving a fuck and being rewarded for it. And now, they aren't just hiring fewer employees, they're changing their entire business model. JLL's Future of Work Survey 2024 found that companies are prioritizing talent flexibility and market expansion, and freelancers fit the bill. That means fewer staple jobs and more professionals being pushed into freelancing, not by choice, but by necessity. What's the point of Doge? Cut government costs. Step 1, cut jobs. Although, military spending seems a bit more bloated, but that's a conversation for another video. Doge isn't creating jobs, it's creating independent contractors that now have to find a way to market their skills. Fair? No. But you're not here searching for what's next because you believe the world is fair, right? Freelancing today isn't what it was 10 years ago, but not every country is approaching this shift the same way. Some are adapting, others are resisting. So let's compare. Germany has some of the strongest labor protections for freelancers. While only 51% of Germans own homes, they have stable income security and tenant protections that support independent workers. Singapore isn't too far behind, integrating gig work into its economic strategy, prioritizing digital skills and business-friendly policies to support freelancers. So, is freelancing really the future? The numbers say yes. AI is making freelancers more efficient, companies are hiring fewer full-time employees, and even the government is getting on board. The real question isn't if freelancing will take over. It's how prepared you are to take advantage of it. Are you already freelancing? Thinking about making the jump? Did you like this video? How do I move to Germany? Let me know in the comments.